Suryodaya College of Engineering एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इस संस्था में आज के इस समारोह में उपस्थित माननीय जया किशोरी जी, जो आध्यात्मिक गुरु भी है और मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर भी है, मेरे सहयोगी पूर्व विधायक सुधाकर कोहले जी, संस्था के अध्यक्ष श्री दीपक चाफले, श्री रंजीत चाफले, प्राचार्य डॉक्टर बीजी अरसपुरे, सीओ डॉक्टर पीजी पराठे, एमडी डॉक्टर रसिका चाफले, उपस्थित सभी विद्यार्थीगण और उपस्थित सभी भाई और बहनों, सबसे पहले मैं विशेष रूप से सूर्योदय कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, इस कॉलेज के जो मैनेजमेंट कंट्रोल करने वाली संस्था है, नेशनल रूरल डेवलपमेंट एंड रिसर्च सोसाइटी, इनको हृदय से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि ज्ञान विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज की ओर से जो फ्यूचरिस्टिक टेक्नोलॉजी है, उससे हमारे बच्चों को ट्रेन करने के लिए जो कोशिश की जा रही है, इस बात के लिए संस्था को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं। विद्यार्थी मित्रों, नॉलेज ये बहुत बड़ी पावर है। इनोवेशन, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, रिसर्च, स्किल एंड सक्सेसफुल प्रैक्टिसेस, we name it as knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the society and for the country. The futuristic technology available in the world, where our country needs to have many entrepreneurs, those who can make joint venture with the technology and they can make the successful experiments in our country. The most important thing is the students who are going to have a potential of good research, they should understand what type of technology we need and what type of research and what type of direction for the research we need. The research should be need-based research, region-based research, availability of raw material-based research, and the research which is going to reduce our import and research which is going to increase our export. Presently, in the industrial sector, agriculture sector, even in the service sector, we have got a lot of good research. But exactly, if you can understand what is the strength of Nagpur and Vidarbha, we have coal mines. Total 75 to 80% of the minerals in Maharashtra, they are present in Vidarbha region. 75% the forest of Maharashtra is present in Vidarbha and Nagpur region. As far as the Nagpur is concerned to be a tiger capital and orange city. And here exactly what are the strengths and what are the weaknesses of that particular region, on the basis of that we need have appropriate research. In any business and industry, we need four important things. One is proven technology, second is economic viability, third is availability of raw material, and fourth is marketability of the finished product. Now already I am giving my special thanks to the management of Suryodaya College, that in Nagpur we have Falcon, Dassault, and now this is a French company, and where the company is going to manufacture Falcon jets, and for the defense point of view, the Rafale fighter jet in Nagpur. Now 250 jets, which the Rafale is going to manufacture, that is going to be purchased by Indian government. And now there is a big possibility that we can make our export of fighter jet, Dassault and particularly Falcon, they have a joint venture, and by using the best technology, we can make the export from the Nagpur. Now the problem is that we have Mihan, we have water, power, transport and communication. The infrastructure is ready. Now the problem is that we need to create more employment potential in the Nagpur. The education is very important. We have 49 engineering colleges. We have triple IIT, Symbiosis, IM, AIMS, and all these colleges are basically big asset for our region. Now in Nagpur, all type of technical education and skill training is available. Now presently in Mihan, we have got lot of IT companies, lot of industries, and presently up till now, we have already created jobs for 68,000 young talented skilled manpower of Nagpur and Vidarbha. Now our dream is, before end of 24, we want to make it up to 1 lakh. And for that reason, we need appropriate trained, talented engineering manpower, which is the requirement of the industry. And that is exactly the responsibility of the engineering colleges to give the appropriate training, appropriate knowledge to the young, talented, skilled youth of our area, by which they will get directly employment. At the same time, the different type of skill which we need to develop educational institutions, skill development institutions, and appropriate capable manpower, which is going to be one of the important assets for the development of our area. And for that reason, the role of engineering college and management college is very important. The second important thing is, which I will request the management and the professors of the colleges, that in our area, what is important need for agriculture, for development of agriculture. We have lot of area in Bandara, Chandrapur, Gadchiroli, Gondia district is paddy. Now we are making bio-CNG, bio-LNG and bio-bitumen from the rice straw. Now we have to make bundle of rice straw with the mechanized process, where we need to develop appropriate technology. Just nearer from this college, we have a big garbage storage named as Bhandewadi, and there we have the municipal solid waste 18 years old is available. These are the challenges of the Nagpur. I am just telling you a successful experiment that in Delhi we have got 3 mountains of these garbages, where we have already using 30 lakh ton of garbage in the road construction in Delhi for ring road. But we need to segregate that. Even in Ahmedabad also, we are also using 30 lakh ton of garbage. And now Nagpur, we have got the technology that we can make RDF from that garbage, and that can be used in the power sector, in the boiler. My only suggestion to the lecturers and students, that first of all, we should identify what are the problems of the region, what are the raw material available in the region, and by using the basic knowledge and technology of the institution, how we can make economically viable project which is going to create employment potential and wealth in the Nagpur region. I feel that we need cooperation, coordination and communication between the stakeholders. The industry, the university and the colleges, if they have a good coordination, then we can make it. We have got the coal mines, but we don't have mining engineering colleges in Nagpur area. We have one automobile industry in Bhandara, but we don't have automobile engineering colleges in our region. I know that majority students want to go for IT because information technology and biotechnology is the future. And the job opportunities are very important. And that is the reason that we need to identify what are the research which we are doing in the college and what are the research which are important and which are the need of our region. What type of raw material which we have, on the basis of that we can plan it. And that type of coordination and identification of the technology and identification of the raw materials which is going to create wealth in our area. That is to be, we are going to increase the growth rate, create employment potential, and by which we can make sustainable development. I feel that we are making housing scheme Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. We have just completed 3,000 flats, which we are giving to the poor people. If the young talented engineering student like you, if you can find out the technology by which we can reduce the cost without compromise with the quality by using of different materials, it is going to helpful for the poor people of the region. The fly ash is available in Koradi and Khaparkheda, which is a big problem as far as ecology and environment is concerned. The fly ash contains silica. We can make blocks, we can make walls, and even we can use fly ash into agriculture. We can get potash from that. But everywhere successful research and experiments are very important. I know that there is a limitation for the institute because they have limited engineering faculty. But at the same time, what type of subject we have and what type of need which our region need, on the basis of that we need to find out the direction of the research. I am really happy that our engineering college contribution for the development of our region is very important. The second important thing which I am talking about it, that is no material is waste and no person is waste. It is depending upon the appropriate technology and it is depending upon the appropriate vision of the leadership that you can convert waste into wealth. I am really happy that today we all are in the era of development. Dream of our Prime Minister to make Indian economy $5 trillion. We are the fastest growing economy. And I am telling you the success story of one of the sector which is related with me, that is to be automobile sector. Previously, in automobile sector, our number was 4 in the world. First number was China. First number is China. Second, USA. Third, Japan. And fourth, India. But now India surpassed Japan and India's number in automobile manufacturing is number 3rd. My dream as a minister to make it this industry number 1 manufacturing hub in the world. The size of the industry is 7.5 lakh crore and this is the industry which is giving maximum GST to the state government and central government. This is the industry which up till now create 4.50 lakh jobs. And now our mission is to make this industry of 15 lakh crore up to the end of 5 years. All reputed brands in the world now present in India. I just got appointed to launch Mercedes, electric Mercedes. The president of the Mercedes company from Germany was telling to me that now they are going to plan only manufacturing all Mercedes model with electricity. That is the futuristic technology. The hydrogen, we have presently the import of 16 lakh crore for fossil fuel, which is a big challenge for Indian economy, and at the same time it creates air pollution. But now we are working on hydrogen, and where I always requesting to Adaraniya Deepak Saple ji, Baba Rao ji, that you should have a research unit on hydrogen. We can make hydrogen from the coal, that name as black hydrogen. We can make hydrogen from petroleum, that is brown hydrogen. And we can make hydrogen from sewage water. The Nag river is near to this college. And where you can make the purification of water in your area. And by using solar roof, we are the #1 manufacturer of electrolyzer in the world. And you can make green hydrogen here and make a gas station here or near to the road. And the future will be the truck, buses, railway engines, factories, cement, steel, everyone will use green hydrogen as a fuel. I have got the car which is on green hydrogen, not green, that is a petroleum, brown hydrogen. So name of the car is Mirai. It is from Japan. In Japani word, the meaning of the Mirai is future, Bhavishya. And this is the future for the country. The futuristic technology which is going to develop India is Atmanirbhar Bharat. The futuristic technology which is going to develop India as a super economic power. The futuristic technology where it's very important for the country that how we can do it. There are a lot of projects, lot of products, and lot of researchers. They are doing excellent job. We are now developing lithium-ion battery in the country. We are already in the process of making of aluminum ion, zinc ion, steel ion chemistry, by which we can run our vehicle on that. So this type of new transformation of the knowledge in the whole world is the vision for all of us. On the basis of that, if we can make the appropriate research for the future, that is futuristic research, and by developing futuristic technology, we will create more jobs for our young talented students. एक बात मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि नौकरी मांगने वाले नहीं, नौकरी देने वाले बनो। और एक महत्वपूर्ण बात है कि आज जया किशोरी जी का मार्गदर्शन भी होने वाला है। I know that no philosophy can be taught to empty stomach. I understand कि wealth creator are not only wealth creator, they are job creator. But at the same time, जीवन का ध्येय पैसा कमाना नहीं है, पैसा साधन है। पर हम अच्छा इंसान बनकर पैसा कमाएंगे वैल्यूज के साथ, दैट इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट। डोंट यूज शॉर्टकट्स, शॉर्टकट कट यू शॉर्ट। ऑनेस्टी, क्रेडिबिलिटी, इंटीग्रिटी, फास्ट ट्रैक डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस, quality consciousness, commitment for the country and the society, these are equally important. And for that reason, the most important thing in the life is values, जीवन मूल्य। और आप सबको अगर अच्छा इंसान बनना है तो विज्ञान के साथ अध्यात्म और धर्म, इसके आधार पर जो वैल्यूज है उसको भी अपने को अपनाने की कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी, तब परिपूर्णता साकार होगी। मैं स्कूल में था तो मैं एक बहुत अच्छा गीत कविता सुनाई थी कि वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे, यही पशु प्रवृत्ति है कि आप ही चरे, वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे। तो हम लोग अध्यात्म का, जीवन मूल्यों का, हमारी मूल्याधिष्ठित जीवन पद्धति है, मूल्याधिष्ठित परिवार पद्धति है और मूल्याधिष्ठित हमारे जीवन की संस्कारों से परिपूर्ण हमारी जीवन पद्धति होने के कारण मैं आप सबको आह्वान करूंगा कि एक तरफ विज्ञान, रिसर्च, इसको भी आत्मसात करिए और दूसरी ओर जीवन मूल्य, धर्म, नीति अपनाकर अपने व्यक्तित्व को ही पूर्णांक की ओर ले जाकर परिपूर्ण बनने की कोशिश करिए। पैसे से, संपत्ति से सब सुख खरीदी नहीं किए जा सकते। घर में मर्सिडीज गाड़ी है, बंगला है, सब कुछ है, पर घर का एटमॉस्फेयर खराब होता है तो किसी का घर में मन नहीं लगता, सब दुखी होते हैं। एक अच्छी कहानी थी, एक ने मुझे बताई थी कि आदमी झूले पर झूल रहा था। तो बोले क्या बेवकूफ आदमी है, काम धंधा छोड़ के झूले पे झूल रहा है। बोले क्या करूं? बोले धंधा कर। बोले धंधा करने के बाद क्या करूंगा? बोले पैसा कमाओ। पैसा कमाने के बाद क्या करोगे? बोले घर बना। घर बना के बाद क्या करो? बोले गाड़ियां लो, मर्सिडीज लो। फिर क्या करूं? बोले आनंद से रहो। बोले वही तो कर रहा हूं। इसका मतलब यह है, ये गाड़ी, घोड़े, सत्ता, संपत्ति, इससे कोई समाधान नहीं मिलता। समाधान मानने के ऊपर होता है और समाधान व्यक्तित्व में जब अच्छे संस्कार होते हैं तो जीवन जीने का एक साइंस, विज्ञान हमको समझ में आता है। और मुझे खुशी है कि जया किशोरी जी आपका मार्गदर्शन करने वाली है। मेरी भी इच्छा थी कि उनका मार्गदर्शन मैं सुनूं और मुझे और 3 कार्यक्रम में राह देख रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं आज मेरे नसीब में नहीं है उनका मार्गदर्शन सुनना। मैं उनकी क्षमा मांगता हूं और आप सबके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हुए सूर्योदय कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी मैनेजमेंट को हृदय से नए नए इनोवेशंस के लिए, रिसर्च के लिए अभिनंदन करता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं और मेरी बात समाप्त करता हूं। नमस्कार।